Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look again here at PEPE. I see some pretty awesome stuff here forming with this coin. Obviously, it's done very well. Quick congrats to our community members too. What is it, Master Sword? Fantastic job. Awesome job scalping the heck out of PEPE. Very, very good work there. Good job also to our community as well for our Near Protocol swing trade there for our premium group. And our premium plus group is just scalping the heck out of the market. XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Litecoin all in profit here today so far in a very small amount of time. So congrats everybody on some sweet trades there. Do me a favor, before we get started, hit the like button, comment below. Absolutely appreciate that. What we can do is look at the liquidation levels to kind of see where we're at. Because again, a lot of incentive for the price action to pull back, as we discussed here recently. That 0.008 level, essentially a heavy concentration of liquidation. There's still some to the upside, not saying the price couldn't continue higher, but if we do look at the price action here, we can see somewhat of an Elliott wave pattern here. So, there's a decent chance we could very well see the price action at its top here. We see an ABC pattern following, okay? So we could very well see something along these lines here. So generally speaking, let's go ahead and double check everything just to confirm and see kind of where we're at. That way we can make an informed decision on next steps here for this coin. So let's go ahead and first of all redraw out some fib levels here, kind of see where we're at there, just to get some perspective on some areas of retracement. If the price were to pull back, we know roughly where they could. We can see here the last couple of days though, this 970, 980 mark. Pretty solid consideration for a pivot / bounce off that area. Kind of looks like it already has tried, but it's pushed off a little bit further. Let's see roughly what we're looking at here for, first of all, moving averages above all four. That's fantastic stuff. Extremely important. When you zoom out too as well, we look at our point of control, heavy concentration of volume right here at about the 735 mark. So 735 is a solid consideration for support. I'm not proposing the pricing to come down that low, but if it does, it'd be a really cool place to kind of get in for the next long. Taking a look here, of course, at the stochastic RSI, it's diverging. RSI peaking out right there, close to about 70, and money flow index is above it, and MACD is converging. These are generally construed as bullish signs, but it's also overextended too. Okay. Now again, we want to look at overextension here and see. We hit a 9 on TD sequential, and we're kind of ramped up to a 3 and pulled back. Decent consideration for the price to pull back a little bit further. I do not recommend shorting this coin though, folks. I just think it's kind of risky in general, specifically because the whole market right now and how well meme coins are doing contrary to Bitcoin. It's like meme coins were the only thing surviving yesterday when all the other coins were just total trash. So it's funny how that little thing happens there, but a lot of times you can, typically when meme coins go crazy, it does tell us there's going to be a shift in momentum. Okay, so that's kind of what happened, and we're above all four moving averages. That's great. You can see the price action at 20 holding strong there. We can look at the RSI here on the 4 hour and recognize that we're getting close to a potential bounce. So this level here at about 980 as a round number could be the next level here where we see a bounce. Keep in mind, MACD is diverging here too, generally considered to be a bearish sign, which obviously we've seen a correction here from top to bottom of about 15%. So again, that's a pretty significant margin. Careful with longs and shorts at this exact moment. I personally feel like we should wait for a period of consolidation first before we get into a trade. Taking a look at the hourly, let's confirm here as well. We are hitting a 9 on TD sequential. We could very well see a return visit to the upside here. This could even be our ABC pattern forming here, where the price action is going to continue to essentially move forward here in this kind of way. This is a smaller time frame look though, folks. I think for the most part, Elliott wave generally on larger time frames will continue further down. So we look at this here though. We can see on the hourly, Ichimoku cloud, we're within the cloud, generally construed as not a buy signal. The lagging span is now free and clear of the downside, and conversions below the baseline. These are all bearish signs here, letting us know that a shift of momentum to the downside makes a lot more sense. I know that we already have shifted momentum, so there's that, of course, and we could actually be at our bottom. So again, not recommending you short. If you're going to consider a short, maybe a short closer to this point of control here at about 1070 for the price action to potentially pull back. So I'll go ahead and put these playout charts here in our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Thanks again for the awesome feedback too. Don't forget to like the video, comment below, and again, trade this coin and many other awesome coins on the world's best exchange. Bitunics, awesome rewards. Make sure you use my link to register so you can get these benefits here. But no KYC or VPN required for these guys, and they've been awesome to our community. So I just like to kind of speak about them. I've got instructional videos if you're curious how they work. But they are very, very good. They interact with our community too. We've got admins in our Discord, kind of just helping everybody out. So we're all in it together, folks. Make sure you check out any of those resources you like. Again, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. You've even got a TikTok now as well. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one.